As your child gets ready to start school in Vancouver, you may have questions about how their learning, social, emotional, or physical needs will be supported in their new classroom. You'll want to know where your child will be placed and more about the team of educators who will support your child's learning needs. The Vancouver Board of Education believes that neighborhood schools are very effective at providing outstanding educational services. We also know that most children can be well supported within their regular classroom setting. That's why when you first bring your child to their classroom, the teacher will talk with you about your child's strengths, interests, and abilities. After your initial discussions, they'll also let you know the best way to communicate when you have questions or have more information to share. A strong home and school partnership is key in developing a successful learning plan for your child. The district recognizes that children learn at different rates and that some students may require additional assistance with their individual learning needs. Depending on the scope of their needs, your child may also have support from a resource teacher. The resource teacher can help your child through direct instruction, program planning, or by collaborating with your child's classroom teacher. There are a variety of support models that schools can use to complement your child's regular education program. The great news about your child working with a school-based resource teacher is that they will also be involved in helping your child with important transitions. These include transitions from preschool to kindergarten, from grade 7 to grade 8, and from secondary to post-secondary. Classroom teachers, school-based resource teachers, and administrators can also request support for your child from a counselor, psychologist, or speech and language pathologist. These additional services can be accessed through their school-based team. The school-based team works as a problem-solving unit to develop and implement instructional strategies for students. They're also there to help discuss and coordinate support for students with complex learning needs. The decision to access any additional resources is done in collaboration with parents. If your child requires more than minor adaptations to educational materials, instructional or assessment methods, or is working on outcomes other than those prescribed in the curriculum, an individual education plan, or IEP, will be developed. This plan is usually developed by the school-based resource teacher in collaboration with the classroom teacher, other members of your child's team, and yourself. Additional members of an IEP team vary based on student needs. However, they could also include a student support worker, behavior or inclusion consultant, counselor, speech and language pathologist, psychologist, an itinerant staff member, an administrator, or someone from your child's home team. Together, the team will help to identify your child's strengths and the best learning environment for them to succeed. Your child's IEP will be reviewed annually, and progress will be documented through the regular school reporting process. Sometimes children with diverse learning needs may need more specialized support. In these cases, the Vancouver Board of Education has a number of special education programs and integrated support services. The decision for a child to attend a district special education program is done in collaboration with parents and school professionals. Vancouver has programs for both elementary and secondary students. You can read more about these programs on our website at www.vsb.bc.ca. For those secondary students who require a different educational setting, the district also has alternative programs, and each one has a distinct instructional focus. Teachers use a variety of instructional methods, which are designed to meet the academic needs of their students. In addition, the program staff is dedicated to working individually and in groups to address the social, emotional, behavioral, and mental health needs of their students. More information about alternative programs can be found on the VSB website. The Vancouver Board of Education provides home instruction services to enable students to continue their education program while absent from school for an extended period during the school year due to illness or related medical reasons. Referrals for home instruction are done through the school-based team. As you can see, Vancouver has a large number of different options for how we can best support your child's needs. We encourage you to work closely with your child's school in order to maximize their success and independence. We look forward to working with you and the members of your child's school team to determine their best path to success.